3, 4, 5, 6.
7, 8. Practicing your numbers, Gordon. That's a good engine.
I'm counting how many seconds late you are. What does that sign say?
Sodor Railway. Really reliable and right on time. Signed, head of the railway, Sir Topham Hatt.
But you weren't on time, little Thomas.
And you're being bossy, Gordon. Now, please excuse me. I'm meeting Mr. Conductor. He's looking after us while Sir Topham Hatt takes a very important holiday.
Well, I think we can take care of ourselves. Get out of my way! I have unfinished business here. I want to finish it fast. Oh, Diesel 10's back.
Yes, 10 out of 10 for devious deeds and
Oh,
brutal
yes.
strength. The blast from the past who hates steam engines.
He doesn't belong on this island. Maybe we do need Mr. Conductor right now. On time.
Oh, he may live far away, but Mr. Conductor's journey never takes long.